The Committee of Youth on Mobilisation and Sensitisation, CYMC, has commended the Corps Marshal, Federal Road Safety Corps, FRSC, Dauda Ali-Biu, for enhancing staff welfare for improved productivity and prompt service delivery. CYMC's Director General, Chief Obin Nawaka, made the commendation when he led officials of the organization on a courtesy visit to the FRSC Corps Marshal in Abuja. He called for consideration of their requests for youth engagement through the Volunteer Road Marshal to the FRSC and appealed for support and full participation at the forthcoming national conference in Abuja.
The purpose of our meeting here today is forthcoming of our national conference to enhance peace and national development. But the young people or the youth, they can't just come to an establishment without presenting something that will be more encouraging and also sustainable to engage young Nigerians. We would like to commend the Corps Marshal for his prompt service delivery. Since he became Corps Marshal, we've noticed some changes in the commission. The rate of accidents have really reduced drastically. The working synergy between the Federal Road Safety Commission and the Ministry of Work is also highly commendable. The conduct of Federal Road Safety Commission officers on the road is highly commendable. All of us can attest, even my colleagues, we can all attest that the Federal Road Safety Commission staff, they are well conducted, they are smart, and they're also diligent in dealing with civilians, especially those ones that they also intercept on the road. So it's highly commendable. And we know that all these things cannot happen, cannot be made possible if the leadership is not doing what it's supposed to do. So we commend the management team of the commission. Thank you very much. Having said that, we have a conference that is coming up, and before the conference, it will not be good that the Corps Marshal is attending the conference and his team without something tangible that they can deliver to young people. 4 years ago when we came here, we presented a program called Volunteer Road Marshal. And that day, this DCM welcomed the development, gave us commendation. In fact, it was in all the public domain. The young people were yearning that when is this scheme going to commence? And the scheme aimed at reducing the high rates of restiveness among the youths, creating opportunity for them to work as an internship under the establishment in partnership with our organization, CYMS. We had the discussion and they said we should come up with 200 lists per estate, that the sector commander is going to train them in each of the states. We made everything possible. We came up with the 200 lists per state. We tried to do follow-up. After all said and done, we don't know what's happened. So we were not happy with that development. After some months, we can recall what happened in Nigeria when there was outcry, disaster that has to do with NSAS activity, where some people, they were involved in destruction of facility, including the facility of the commission. It was so painful. Our attention was drawn. We did our best in engaging these people because we can't be part of that activity because of our stand, our position, and our mandate as engaged by the Office of Secretary to the Government of the Federation. We sensitized them, we engaged them. In fact, our Lagos State chapter, they engaged even the Commissioner of Police. Several press conferences were held. And If you look at those activities, it's as a result of these people, they don't have any meaningful activity that will keep them busy. So any activity that they see that will make them trend, get to know each other, be on the streets, social media stunts, they just involve themselves and take advantage of it. And so many people who are not state actors that are not happy with the current administration, people will always be bittered, even if you provide them opportunity because of political interest. Even if you say naira to $1 to the dollar is now 1 kobo, so people will not still be happy because in one way or the other, whenever there is crime, so people are benefiting from crime. Whenever there is crisis, people are benefiting from crisis. So if we continue to engage the youth to be meaningful, there is some responsibility that they will take upon themselves. So that is why we are representing that volunteer road marshal for your kind consideration.
Reacting, the FRSC Corps Marshal, represented by the Corps Commander, Special Duties and External Relations, welcomed the delegation and expressed readiness to support their initiatives, adding that the Corps is a youth-friendly organization willing to ensure adequate youth engagement in line with its mandate.
What we are doing is not out of place. Like we all know in the society, if you take care of the youth, you have taken care of the whole society. And you know, the youth, they are the majority in the society. And you know, if you don't handle them well, you know what they can cause. You know what happened during that SARS period that you just mentioned. But we thank God. God took control of everything. We want to inform you that all you have said will be, the message will be sent back to the Corps Marshal. You made mention of you want external body to form part of the youth, not to augment what FRSC is doing. We have a special marshal, which is directly under my preview. And we have road safety, like she's there, NYC. We have NYC Road Safety Club. They are also doing the activities that FRSC they are doing, except that they are not arresting. But the special marshal, they have every right to arrest, to prosecute offenders. I also like to inform you that the FRSC will be, and no traffic control on that day, they will be available. The remaining things like the financial support, like you say that the Corps Marshal, that you want a goodwill message, all those things will be communicated to him later.